welcome back to Politics Watch. This is Sir P. Today I'm going to be talking about a story that unfortunately has become all too common in Jamaica. Story of another young life gone. A young life that never mixed up none of badness, never fired a shit off on nobody. Right. Wrong place, wrong time, and just like that, you're no longer here. I'm talking about Kevin Mackenzie. A young man, when I was growing up in that them age, 13, 14, 15, people say a little boy, so it's a little boy. Lost his life in gruesome manner. A manner where him never deserved. Never thought about it. You see, stories like this, we cannot make them be some gone with the wind thing. Stories like this, Jamaica need to talk about. Jamaicans need to talk about. Because even if you don't know him, and you don't come from the community, you don't even come from the same parish, understand, say, where your mother feel, where your family feel, could one day be you. If you're in a business boat, people like Kevin Mackenzie, make sure your business boat, you own a picnic them and you own a family them. So make it sink in your head. When me telling you what happened to him, say it can be yours. Before me go any further, by now, you might have heard that some messages leak and phone call leak concerning August Town and Dog Pond, even some of your favorite artists and get caught up in it. And people have been sending it to me. Miss all of that. The reason why I'm not covering it is because the platforms them why I deal with it now is really for them operation. And even though I'm privy to the information, I'm gonna sit back and make them play a leading role in this. I don't want to get involved and overshadow the work with them put in and make it look like a syrupy thing. This is not my thing. I'm enjoying this one. I'm getting information just like you. I'm a spectator in this one. So between August Town 876, between my views, between True Alliance Stories, they might drop some incredible pieces of, well, we're not going to check it out for yourself, but this is actual gunman attack, and it's been very interesting so far, and it looks like they'll get even more interesting. So I'm sure you know my views on True Alliance Stories, and the man didn't make it a secret, say they respect the movement. Remember, an entire coalition of your favorite YouTubers banded together to try to get me off of the platform just a year ago or so. They've never banded together to get rid of clans, get rid of one another, get rid of any criminal who actually take people's life, innocent people's life at that. But them group together, all of a sudden them get united. Them not try to get me out. But of course, my views solid from day one. Anyway, that's just make people aware, say August Town, Dog Pond, the whole situation there. Some things are come out now really shake up the place. Check it out. Now back to Kevin Mackenzie. A youth named JJ lost his life in a place named Shelter Rock. JJ was a youth in the streets, and I like say he was on his way to prayers with him beads them and a holy book, or he was on his way to the mosque. No, everybody know the lifestyle of JJ live and what he's about. Fame card get pulled, and that was that. That's how badness go. But 87's already. I have to go defend it. I have to go make back a dopey. So the man them make a step towards a place named Backlands. Jones Avenue? Well, have a place named Backlands. This is a community that has been through a lot. This is a community that is no surprise to violence. But even by film standards, even by Jones Avenue, St. Catherine, Jamaica standards. This crime is appalling. Kevin Mackenzie, early in the morning, as a youth, like one of him due to them is to get rid of the garbage. So man carry the garbage, got the garbage heap. The little youth just so happen to buck up into the man them as them a quote unquote make a step. Remember, him and them not have nothing. Him no do JJ nothing. Him no fire a single shot of a JJ. Him no send no man go for JJ. Them just a go back and make a statement because that is how Jamaican badness, especially Spanish Town badness, work. Them not necessarily, them just want to hear say the man where do you come from yesterday. Them catch the youth. Them give him couple rounds and them couldn't make it done there so. They then proceed to carry on to try to take off the youth head. I say try because either whatever them I use never sharp enough or the man them no, cause you know you have the people them like James Hines, them and who they basically turn expert. Them don't even need a minute to do it, but then you have other man who just hear about it and want some, I don't know what happened, but you can see say it partially just barely hang on. I'm not gonna post the picture anyway. But it just barely hang on to it. Just it come out, but just in a little piece of wall on. This is what them do the youth where them not have nothing against. This is what them do a youth where not involved. This is how they make them statement. But at them man you underrate. At them man you, enough Jamaican men want to be like, enough Jamaican women want to be with. Them man you underrate. Look at you that a schoolboy that. What kind of meds then you to a whole? Mr. Walk Davis, Mr. Highly educated fight, Mr. Criminology course, tell me what your textbook tell you will justify things like this. Oh, me know if they just have little more money in their pocket, if them just never so poor, because them poor why them cut the crap. Spanish Town have a culture of badness and death and destruction, and this is one of the things that will make up the culture. We're real, quote unquote, real bad man, not just happy with giving you rounds, have to take with it and fling off head too. Youth are try impress youth. Youth knows that the man there, him take off and fling with 5 head, him want impress him so him want take off one too. The conveyor belt, a Spanish Town, whether it be Shelter Rock, whether it be Jones Avenue, whether it be March Pen, whether it be De La Vega City, the conveyor belt is very, very lubricated. No squeaking, no go on. Everywhere grease up and WD-40 down. It continues to produce youths that are capable of doing things like this. This sounds like a story where I come from the Bad Fram era. This sounds like a story where I come from the JJ Nakis era. From James Hines era. From sci-fi them era. This is how them behave. We are talking about some of them when I did 10 years ago and see it here. Just a new batch. Only thing changed are the age and them name. So the batch we gone has already been replaced. Because this type of highly irrational and senseless killing is trademark Spanish Town. Whether it be clans or one another. Of course, Klansman is known for the volume of brutal acts. in terms of volume, them known more for this. But you best believe right across the whole capital, them things are going. These things have been going on. And it look like it not gonna stop for now. This youth, should I get ready? If you go school, go see him schoolmate them. This youth at fame age, supposed to talk to him friend them about what him plan to do, what him want to be. He must tell him mother say I'm gonna take her to the community. I was tell him mother say I'm gonna do this for her. Don't worry mommy, I'm gonna do this. Everybody in the community know them. And the mother, from what I understand, is a lady who do everything to keep the pitney them away from quote unquote the crowd. You know, in every community you have some family where for them pitney, or those when they go school or shop you see them, you don't see them on the road, turn in the yard. Well, that turn in the yard formula has worked thus far. But just one moment, purely by chance, the youth left, not for go idle, but for throw away garbage and lose him life. And lose him life in such a gruesome manner. And there will be no protest, there will be no national uproar because it's just another life. Just another poor ghetto youth who was not killed by the security force, because at them time they alone they unionize me. And you see a favorite celebrity them jump out of the woodwork and go like them care. This is how Jamaica treat cases like this. Who cares? It's just another dead youth from Spanish Town. It's another dead ghetto youth. It's another dead black youth. Who cares? Move on. How many more have to go? How many more have to go? How many more children in inner city communities have to get treated like say them are some kind of pet in some cage because they can't even left them yard? Just kubo. People, especially children in our city communities, been under curfew from badness. Forget about big C curfew. Badness curfew for years, all them life. Don't left the yard, don't go yasso, don't go yasso. Make sure you reach home by them time now, long before big C drop. Curfew only new to you. People in a bad man place under curfew long time. Make sure you go up on the road after this time, you know. Make sure say because parents know that them things that can happen. Parents know that gunman are highly irrational. And you don't have to do them nothing. Them just have to be catch you. I just you the person them catch on that particular day. And let me tell you something about Shelter Rock and them. Them boy they are the same. Them boy they would kill them own friend and then blame somebody else. So even though, as me say, as the man say, the Backlands man, them are Jones, as the man say in the movie, I don't trust none of them boy, the road boy. Masters of the fake ops. Them man they would kill them own friend and then they go retaliate on a community when they have nothing to do with it. Enough time when things are going to Spanish Town, and you hear say, oh, let me tell you now how enough place a Spanish Town stay. I'm not speak specifically for this now. In a Spanish Town is very rare. Man launch operation go to the next man community and come back out alive. Even the Paris 87 them. Right? They really do them kind of apps there. If somebody in the community where them go, have you work with them. How much gunman you know from a rival community just walk go in a man place, take man life and left out. So I don't trust none of them boy the road boy. 87s are normally safe in a for them place. So if man go for them not for them place, that means that them thing get so weak, right, where the other man them feel so they can go in and come back out safe, or somebody in the same community take them life, or at least help the man them take them life. Somebody have to help you. Like your body want be. When James Hines and when Klansman did launch their demonic operation in a Chadiga Park. When you see how much of them go, are basically the entire clansman there to go. And them still had help from people inside a Chadiga Park. Man in a Chadiga Park help clansman go in there to take the people them life, the 8 people them. That's a fact. Because them don't know the place. Man from the era show them say you have to go through your son, go through your son, go through your son. Kevin Mackenzie. Again, another youth with big dreams, just like Buddy Charmaine Ratchy and Jerry Flint story. The girl who wanted to be a doctor, she had the brains to do it, right? She had the qualifications to do it. She applied for the funding to do it, and the funding come through, and she never get to do one day in the classroom because the man them, well, we know that story enough already. The heights of barbarism. As I say, I wonder how many more I should go. Hope people realize that something is seriously wrong with Jamaica as a country. Culture and mindset. Anyway, Patreon Squad, big up on yourself. PIA, you don't know, more life. Ultra Squad, stay circling. Bless.